Helios, 10, I believe this is Exceed, or yeah, Exceed, I'm pretty sure. 12, Lift, Destroy S. Let's get into it right here. Helios, another favorite bay of mine, and Leopard. Both very nice bays. And very fun bays, you know? That's the most important thing. And Helios, spin finish to start it off. Good way for Helios to start off against Leopard. So Kolossal up against Vise here. Let's see who takes it. Can Kolossal do it again? The spin finish maybe. And oh, okay, Leopard takes the spin finish. So we're 1-1. Big hit there from both bays. Big recoil as well. Okay, so we're tied up. And this matchup looks like it might go down to the wire because both won on life after death against each other. Both tied up 1-1 so far. Early stages in the matchup and early signs that this is going to be a very close match here. And Helios jumps back into the lead with a 2-1. So 1 point ahead of Leopard. Let's launch both bays here. And let's see what happens. Since we haven't done that, we might as well see the results of that. Oh my goodness, is Helios just amazing? Yes, I'm biased. Yes, I'm biased, okay, but I like both bays. Both easily top, what, 10 bays? Is Helios, Vise, Leopard definitely top 25 first bay for me. And oh, a tie. Okay, we got a tie there. We got a tie-dye shirt, not. But yeah, Leopard, Helios. Helios with a speed up there, nearly knocks himself out of the stadium. Okay, let's see what Helios has got against Leopard. Helios in the center. Leopard with some small attacks from the outside. Okay, so 2-1 so far. Helios in the lead by only 1 point. It's not crazy difference. And Leopard there takes the win. 2-2 so far. Hyperion up against Leopard, and Leopard stops all the momentum for Helios. And that could cause a big problem for Helios there, because that means he has to go straight into the center and face Leopard straight away. And it's a tie again. It's another tie. Okay, cool. Alright, let's soft launch our Helios and see if we can get a little burst on Leopard maybe. And Helios takes the point there, 3-1. Now we're going to try the same for Leopard. We're going to soft launch Leopard, and then we're going to hard launch Hyperion and see if we can get a similar result there. Okay, let's see who's got it. And Helios. Alright, 4-1. I believe it's 4-1. So, Helios has been doing amazing. Let's have enough life after death with that destroy to take down Helios. So we might have to find another way to do it. Is the quality okay? Chat. A tie. Okay, so far. Helios Leopard. And a burst to defeat Leopard. If there's one way to defeat Leopard, it's with a burst. Sorry about the quality of the video.